Buy Discord using GCash. In today's video, you are going to learn how to buy Discord's Nitro using GCash. So let's get started. First, the GCash card look like this. You must have a GCash MasterCard. Then you have to go to Nitro and the settings option like this will appear. Click on this option and then you will be redirected into the settings. Now scroll down until you see Nitro section. From here you will see all the subscriptions. For example, I'm choosing the simple one, then I will click on it and it will show me my previous card. If you do not have a previous card, you just have to enter the new one, and after entering the new one, here you have to put your GCash as a card. So you can see here you have to select card as option and then you have to put your GCash card details here and then click on next, and that's how your GCash will be added. And if you want to buy Discord Nitro, you can use your GCash. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.